So over here, you can see that I have a fresh page right here, a web page, and this only has home page, as you can see right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in more web pages to this website. In that case, over here on the left hand side, you can simply click on page, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and add in the page. So it says describe a page to create it, but I'm just going to go for other way, and then I'm simply going to go ahead and use, let's say, a landing page or a page right here. I can go ahead and choose a page type, standard layout, or if you have custom layout, you can go ahead and then access it over here as well. And in my case, I don't, so I'm just going to go for standard layout, select page, and I'm going to add in about right here, just like this. Click on add, and the about page is added, and the link is added over here on the site header as well automatically, as you can see right here. Let me just go ahead onto page right here, and I'm going to add in FAQ, other ways to add a page, and then I'm going to go around over here onto sub page right here. So let's just go ahead onto FAQ, press add right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and add out pages to website inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe